welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. My name is Sherifa Nakalema here in Virginia, USA. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you find out what's going on with your video. How many shares it's getting, how many subscribers it's getting, and the age. 3 metrics: the shares, the subscribers, and the age. So the way you got your, I'm on my laptop, but the way you got your YouTube analytics, studio analytics, that's what you're going to do. For me, I'm right here starting on my homepage here, and I go to my analytics on my YouTube studio using manage videos. Like right here, I click on manage videos. That's how I get to my videos. But the way you go to analytics, please do that and then find the video you want to analyze. And for me, I think, let's see, I want to pick, I have a short video here somewhere. How to subscribe, this one here. I'm going to use this video. So you select the video, and next, anywhere you find the word analytics, click on that. For me, it's on the left, analytics. And once you get to analytics, find reach. Analytics, reach. So you click on reach. After you get to reach, find a more to get to the details. So analytics, reach, more. Now, when we get to more, we're going to, I think let's start with the shares. Find this button right here. Now, the default is since the video was published, but you're going to see that we can change the time there. The time, we can analyze a different time. So, and here, impressions by video. Those are the defaults. I'm about to change them. So, impression, click right here, and we are going to find the shares. How many shares this video has had since it's published. Let's start with that. So click on more metrics. You know, when you click on more metrics, all these shows up. You can take time later to find all these and play around with them, but I'm looking for shares. Shares is right here. So shares. So since this video has been published, which was September 27th, 2021, how many shares did it get? It's right here. So it got 101 shares. Now this can be changed, the time period. So let's see, how about the last 28 days? Last 28 days it got 93 shares. I'm just focused on this metric, shares. And then what about in the last 7 days? In the last 7 days it got 17 shares. So that's the sharing of your video. Sometimes you find you have a video that has not been shared at all. That means that may not be a popular topic, it may not be a popular video. So we finished that. I'm going to subscribers. Go back right here to select. And at this point, actually, I could select 2. Let me actually line them up. Now it brought this second one. So remember, finish the shares. Now you can find subscribers. You could do just one, but let me show you also that you can compare 2 metrics. At first, I didn't have that option. It came. So subscribers, you choose subscribers. Now you see that we have shares. We also have subscribers. So let's see how they show up. Up here, I selected 7 days. So in 7 days, we had, in fact, it's good that we are seeing them side by side, 43 subscribers and 17 shares. So you can change it up here, the period, from 7 days to 28 days. You could choose to see just shares or just subscribers, but I chose to show 2. So you can see that you can actually line them up. Like, for example, likes, dislikes, you can put them side by side and see what happens. So subscribers 427, shares 93. That's for the past 28 days. So what about since it was published? Remember we saw that already for the shares. Since it was uploaded, 455 subscribers and 101 shares. So that's how you find the subscribers and the shares. I promise you one more thing for this video, because there is a lot you can analyze here. Take your time and come back, but for this video I wanted to show you the viewer age. Who is watching? How old are these people? So age, we're going to analyze the same way. See, they're shown by graphs. Seems more have more 25 to 33 years. Here, this is longer, and then 18 to 24 is next, and 35 to 44 is next. You see the rest of them, and that's since uploaded. So what about if I change this to the last 28 days? Still, seems the ratio is still the same. It's always more the 25 to 34, then 18 to 24, and 35 to 44. The rest are very low. So what about in the last 7 days? Still the same ratio, I think. Same ratio is running here, and it's going to help you too, because now you know that, at least for me, and for this particular topic, the 25 to 35 years old like it more. But then you can go into the details. How long are they staying? That's another video actually I recorded. If you click, this is the playlist. This playlist that I call YouTube Tips is what I call it. YouTube Tips 2021. I already talked about how you see how long they are staying. Average view duration. You can analyze that. They may be coming, many of them, but are they watching? Because that matters, and matters more to YouTube. So this is the video. I've already covered the 3 metrics. I showed you how you find your shares, how your video is being shared, how many times, how many subscribers you got for every period you choose, and the age of the people who are watching you. On this channel, this is just the YouTube tips, which I do on Monday, but on Tuesday and Wednesday I have money tips, business tips. Then on Thursday, I do a drive around. I show you USA, Virginia, USA. Sometimes I interview a person to be like an interview. And then anything interesting I find on that day. Then on Friday, I come live, mostly success habits. Something like personal development. We do time management. We do a lot of things. It's fun actually. Come on Friday. Saturday, I do affiliate marketing, Animal Online. Sunday, I do motivation. So please check them out. I have almost 400 videos, I think almost 400. So check them out. This is just YouTube tips, and I didn't show up. So see me in the videos. My name is Sherifa Nakalema, business owner here in Virginia, USA. Like I always end these videos, I say take very good care of yourself. Take very good care of your families. Take very good care of your health. Please like the video. Consider subscribing if you are new, and share it. Take a step to a better you. Bye bye.